Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Fiat 500. First, determine if you have a traditional key or a remote fob. If using a fob and it is not working, check its battery. Many remote fobs have a hidden manual key blade inside. This small, physical key is crucial for manual entry when the remote function fails. Knowing your key type is the first step to regaining access to your vehicle. Once you have the manual key, proceed to the driver's side door. Insert the key fully into the keyhole. Gently turn the key clockwise to unlock the door. You might feel some resistance, but avoid forcing it. If the lock feels stiff, try wiggling the key slightly while applying steady pressure. This method bypasses any electronic issues, providing reliable access to your Fiat 500. If the manual key does not work, or if you cannot locate it, consider alternative entry methods. Your best option is to contact a professional roadside assistance service or a certified locksmith. They possess specialized tools, like a slim jim or an air wedge, and the expertise to open your Fiat 500 without causing damage. Attempting to force entry yourself can lead to costly repairs. After successfully unlocking your Fiat 500, the alarm may sound. Simply start the engine to disarm it. To prevent future lockouts, replace your remote key fob battery promptly if it was the cause of the issue. It is also highly recommended to always have a spare key. Keep it in a safe, easily accessible place, perhaps with a trusted friend or family member, for emergencies.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.